Hey G-Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool amazing right here, and basically what these are some batteries. If you see the one that we got right here is from this brand right here, and the batteries that we got right here are the CR2032. And for the one that we got right here, it comes with a pack of 10 of them, but I believe they have these available in like bigger or smaller packs, so you definitely want to do your own research to see how much you guys need. But first, let me actually open up to show you guys what the product looks like inside. Alright, so once you guys open up, this actually looks like inside. So there's 5 of them right here and 5 of them right here. And for these batteries, they do mention how there's a 3-year shelf lifetime. If you can see in the back right here, they do provide guys the expiration date on here or best buy date. And for these batteries, they are not rechargeable. But this is what the product looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually peel out one of them to show you guys how to actually use it and what actually works first. So for the batteries, I'm going to use it for my product right here, which is a smart body tape measure. So I just want to peel one of these off. Once you guys peel it out, this is what the battery looks like, and this actually looks like on the other side. So if you guys look very carefully on there, they mention what kind of batteries it is, which is CR2032. So what I want to do is open up my product and put this inside. So I want to turn it in the back and take this part out. Once we take it out, I just want to put this inside and I want to cover it back up. Alright, so once you put the battery inside, if you guys try to turn it on, it does work. So you can see when you guys do use the battery, it definitely does work. And like I mentioned, for these batteries, it should give you guys a long battery life on here. But you can see the product definitely does work. And also for these batteries, they mentioned how it's actually leak proof and it's also mercury free. So it's definitely very safe for you guys to actually put it onto your product. But that is everything that's on the product here. Now to go unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for some high quality batteries like these to use it for your product like the one I show you guys right here or any other product that's compatible with this battery here, then I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.